in English, and hopefully my friends here will help me. If there's something you do not understand, you have to stop. Ajahn, what? I don't know. So you have to stop me, okay? So we can translate this if you need. Okay. My name is Justin. I work for the Tourism Board of Singapore. So if you want to go on holiday in Singapore, I'd sell you the holiday package. Okay. I work at a school in Singapore called LaSalle, where we have audio production. My colleague Dirk, over here, he and I are doing workshops in Thailand, and we thought we should come see you to say hello and talk a little bit about audio production. So everyone here is a technology student, music technology. Okay, one?
Only one, no?
Only one? Everyone else is a truck driver? Okay, one technology student, everyone else truck driver. Okay, good, we do our best.
Yeah, we booked for them already, but I don't know why they don't show up.
So these are all pop.
Yeah, I'll pop to. Yeah, but
Your students.
Yeah, they got background, so that's why I
Okay.
come to join.
So maybe the technology student says, okay, hurry up. Pop students have slow down. Everyone in here uses software, Logic, Pro Tools, Ableton Live, something? No? Okay, definitely truck drivers.
Mixing, yes.
Yes,
of
they
course.
all do mixing.
Yeah.
Okay, so everyone does mixing. Has everyone done mastering? Today I want to talk about mastering, and I'll tell you just a little bit about what audio mastering is. And everyone can hear me okay? I don't need the microphone? Okay. Okay, so we start all things simple. Google, what is audio mastering? I don't know. Google will tell you. Okay, Google is your friend. Right? Facebook, not your friend. Google is your friend. Okay? So, for those of us, audio mastering is the very last step in music production. So, we write a song. No, first we practice. Make Paul happy, practice more. Okay? Then we write a song, we arrange the song, record, edit, mix, last step, mastering. So what is important about the last step? What is important about the last step? Any ideas? Alan? Well, you do the balance and mixing?
สร้างสมดุลไหมตอนเวลา mix
So we deal with most of the balance with mixing. So guitar too loud, or guitar not loud enough, more guitar, always more guitar. Okay, bass, no need bass. That's guitar and snare. Right? That's all we need. So we do the balance, we can do the balance and mixing. The important thing about mastering, last chance. Any problem? Mastering. After that, public. Everyone hears. So mastering is the last chance. Maybe you make a mistake in mixing. You send it to your mastering engineer says, oh, stop. Let's do this again. Okay, so you know the term quality control? So if you go to buy a guitar, and you see the little sticker on the guitar that says quality control number 17, it means someone in the guitar factory looked at your guitar, okay, everything okay, I'll number it, plug it in, play, okay, guitar perfect, now we sell. The mastering engineer does the same thing. So we do the quality control. Who here has, you write a song, you record the song, you mix the song, and by the end of this, maybe this is 2 months, can you hear it anymore? You hear the song every day for 2 months, the song just sounds like soup. Your ears also like soup. Mastering engineer hears the song first time. Fresh ears. Very, very important. So this is what we call, let's see, I'll try something new today. I'll do a Thai translation. Objectivity. Right? Is that correct? Because if it's something else, okay, this is important. If you write the song, you love your song. If you play guitar on the song, you love your guitar playing. You're very proud. It's like you create something. Mastering engineer, we don't care. Good, bad, yes, no, quality control. So this is what the mastering engineer will bring you. Okay. So, do you have to have a mastering engineer for your song? No. But you have no quality control. Okay? So, have you seen a mastering studio before? Let's say, pick this one. Okay, so mastering studio. Mastering studio. Do we have any microphones? Do we have the vocal booth for the singer? No. Do you have the big video screen for watching Star Wars? No, don't have. Right? So what do we do? What do we do here? Yeah. So also big speakers. Okay. The bigger the speaker, it acts more like the microscope. When you have the bigger speaker, your frequencies spread like this. You can hear more detail. The mastering engineer trained to hear the detail. So bigger speaker, but it's more like a little microscope. So this is like a mastering studio. Okay. This equipment, EQ, so everybody knows EQ, compressor, all that stuff. The tool used in mastering studio, basically the same. So you go into regular recording studio, they have EQ. Okay. Mastering engineers have EQ, but their EQs are generally more functional. So they have more things in their EQ. In the recording studio, you take your EQ, you say, okay, 3 kilohertz, 5 dB. Mastering engineers don't do that. 1 dB, half a dB, very, very small. Mastering engineer, we live in a very, very small world. Little tiny things. Many, many tiny things, hopefully, equals the big thing at the end. Today we are going to master a song. In fact, someone here will master a song. So I will need a volunteer. But I think I have an amazing prize for my volunteer. Amazing. Totally amazing. You'll be so excited. Yeah. So you'll worry about the volunteer later. So can you tell me maybe some bands or some style of music that you like? You like Britney Spears. Everyone likes Britney Spears. I think this is the school of Britney Spears.
I'm too old.
You saying I'm too old?
I mean,
Okay. Let's see it. Let's take. Here's a band I grew up with.